I've had my Oppo Reno2 Z for 5 years now. It's still going good, but the battery's not lasting long. Get half a day out of it if I'm lucky. So should I just throw away the phone and get another one? No, it's better for the environment to try and repair it. I'm going to see if I can get a new battery from the Oppo office in Sydney today. That was a pretty cool experience at the Oppo head office in Macquarie Park in Sydney. Pretty efficient, took a bit over an hour to do. Could wait in a nice office there, had magazines to read and stuff. Did a really good job, got discounted down to $40, it's supposed to be $50. I was really happy with that. So for $40, I can keep the Oppo Reno2 Z going for a bit longer. Plus I had time to have a coffee afterwards. So time to head back now. So don't forget, try and repair your smartphones, keep them going a bit longer instead of changing them every year to keep up with the Joneses. It's much better for the planet. Catch you later.